Last example. This is a question that looks similar to the ones on the IB exam, where they don't give us any number to work with. They want us to consider equations in some arbitrary variable. Here in example number 5, they want us to start with the slope point form of a linear equation, and they want us to rewrite it into something that looks like this. Well, technically that means no more bracket, and they want us to have terms starting from the x and then the y and then the constant. So let me open up the bracket here. We don't want to have any bracket. As you open it up, we have m times x minus m times x1. And now seeing how we are trying to turn it into general form, I want to start my equation with the x term. So let me keep everything on the right hand side. I'm starting with this equation with the x term, and I want the next one to be y. Here is y, minus 1. And then for the rest of it, the constant, the terms that don't have x or y in it, just these ones here. x1 and y1, they are just number. They are just coordinates for a specific point, and m is another value to represent the slope. So these things together will give us one single constant as you simplify the values together. So here we have an equation in general form where you have ax plus by plus c equals 0. So in this case, I technically will have a to be the same as m, and I will have b to be the same as -1, and I will have c being the same as this whole thing here. A equals m, b equals -1, and c equals y1 minus m times x1. Now this will be the case if I have my slope being a positive integer, because for general form ax plus by plus c equals 0, you must have the number at the front being a positive integer. So in case where you have your slope being a fraction, then you will end up getting a different result. So that will be it for lesson 7.3. Make sure you try the homework on page 377.